I am Radha Devpura, and I invite all of you on the behalf of CEPT Foundation Program to our exhibition Let's Play. Today marks a special occasion as we gather to celebrate the culmination of weeks of hard work, creativity, and imagination from our talented students that have just crossed a stepping stone, that is the foundation program of their long journey. I am delighted to see many faces here, eager to explore the results of our students' dedication and passion for game design. Each game designed by our students represent not just a product of their creativity, but also the deep engagement with the unique cultural and spatial character of Varanasi. Let us know more about this exhibition from the Dean of CFP, Professor Samir Shah.
Radha almost said most of the things I'm going to repeat here, So good evening, colleagues, friends, and students. I see very few students. Anyway, thank you for taking time out, especially when it's raining. Weather is not to be indoors. We should have been outside doing something else. For this inauguration of Let's Play exhibition. Let's Play exhibits the game created by CFP students, as Radha already mentioned. This is the work by batch 23-24. Our intention was that as they delve into the stages of design process, discover, define, develop, evaluate, and articulate, they would understand that the process is non-linear, iterative, and feedback-driven. Over the span of 4.5 weeks, 269 students designed approximately 90 games. Out of these, we wish we could have displayed at least 40 to 50 games. They were worth seeing. For the lack of space, we displayed only 18 games, unfortunately. 3 from each unit, and we have totally 6 units, so 18 games. You will notice the variety of games the student came up with, which can be broadly categorized as strategy-based, storytelling-based, war games, cooperative games, city-building games, educative games, and tile-based games. Since this was part of a learning exercise, let me tell you a few things about the process. I'll not take much time. Before the module began, students were introduced the importance of design process and design thinking through the exercise that was called decoding the design process. And the process was to decode few L2 selected studios of all faculties. After this, in the groups of 2 or 3 students each, they poured their heart and soul into producing these board games, starting from conceptualization to final design. The context for all the games were from various studies they had already conducted during their field studios at Varanasi. So everybody's context is same. They played games to see what works and how and what doesn't. They explored materials and digital fabrication techniques like laser cutting and 3D printing. Many also developed creative packaging ideas and considered user dynamics. At this juncture, I would like to specially thank Kashi. Unfortunately, neither Kashi is here, and also thank Jai for the help and guidance in developing this module, because this was the first time in a very short time span we were coming with this module. The exhibition will be for a month, and we invite students, faculty members, and all visitors to play and appreciate the creativity and learning that have gone in these games. Every Friday will be a gaming evening, so everyone is invited to come and play. The students who designed the games will be here at their whichever game they've designed, and they'll tell you what the rules are and you can play. Thank you very much. I'll now invite President Barjor in his new dress code.
I'm wearing a dress code only because of you guys. Anyway, I was at a convocation this morning, so I thought this is also a convocation of sorts. So first and foremost, thank you very much for doing what you have done. I have to admit, this is a wonderful piece, wonderful work. I'm sure that we will all agree that it is. But beyond the work, I think what's very important for us at CEPT is that this is at the foundation level where all of you from all the different faculties have worked together. What I would suggest you do is that you keep these friendships, you keep these links as you go into your own faculties, in your own programs. Because the world is not a silo. The professional world is a world of lots of connections. It's a world of lots of cross connections with different professions. So the friendships you have made and the skills you have built together and the confidence that you have built together, please continue that. It goes beyond the classroom. It goes beyond one particular exercise. It goes towards developing networks which will hold you as you go forward in your professions. So thank you very much for doing such exceptional work. And I'm sure that all of us, all the faculty members here agree, all the deans are here, so, and our senior management, and I think we all agree that this is really, really good work. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So I would like to take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude on the behalf of the entire CFP team to all who made this event a success. First and foremost, I would like to thank all the students of batch 23-24. Your creativity, dedication and hard work are the heart and soul of this exhibition. Thank you, guys. Each game designed in the course of 4.5 weeks is a testament to your innovative thinking and commitment to excellence. I would once again like to thank Professor Vishwanath Kashikar and Professor Jai Thakkar for their constant mentorship in formulating this entire module. This module wouldn't have been possible the way it was without your guidance. The entire teaching team of CFP for putting their honest efforts in guiding and mentoring the students throughout. It was a challenge for the entire team as well, and all of us pulled it off greatly. All the games are the result of continuous efforts that have put in with the students in getting the best out of them. I would like to extend my thanks to the exhibition team of CEPT University. Your support has been incredibly helpful in putting up this exhibition, especially to Jai, Rishabh, Monica, Junaid Bhai, Yatin Bhai, Chandni, Firaq Bhai and the entire team. Your efforts behind the scenes have ensured that everything runs smoothly, and this change in venue was one of the examples for us. To the team of CFP who has been the backbone of this exhibition, Samir, Vishal, Katrinil, Kanishk, Achal, Graphi, Pranav, Pankti, Arun, Jomon, Soumya, Vartika, thank you all for all your support in putting this together. Our support staff, Ramesh Bhai, Dhulji Bhai and Shilpa Ben, for being on their toes wherever needed. And of course, Judith from our admin team for helping us with all the logistics. Lastly, I would like to thank you all for taking out time in engaging with the incredible work on display. Thank you. We have the refreshments in the South Pavilion. I request you all, after looking at the exhibition, please go and have it. Thank you.